Alright, you guys, so you're gonna need scissors, a needle, and you're gonna need maybe gray or black thread, either or that you have is fine. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. So these leggings were already like ripped, so I was like, okay, that's perfect. I'm gonna use these to stack my leggings. And you see the thread matches perfectly, so I'll just try to stretch them out and get them laid out and everything like that. So the next thing, you're just gonna need a ruler, just to see how long you want your cut. I did mine's 12 inches. I feel like I could have done them longer, but you'll see why I say that now. But yeah, I got a ruler just to make sure the line is perfectly straight, because I am a Virgo and perfection is a must. But anyway, I use my marker to go ahead and mark it and line up where I wanted to cut it, so it'll be perfect, like I was saying. And yeah, it looked like I was struggling to cut that. Like, wow, that's embarrassing. So next thing, I just use my T-pins just to line it up to make sure it was perfect when I wanted to, so they line up perfectly to the other side so I can cut them. And yeah, so just get to cutting and boom. So you're gonna go ahead and flip them inside out so you can get the sewn and stuff like that. Then you're gonna go ahead and pull your cut pieces up on the leggings and line them up perfectly so you can sew them and everything. Make sure it's on there perfectly, like line them up as best as you can. Again, I'm just using my T-pin just to help me so I know where I'm going to start sewing and stuff like that at. You don't have to do this method, do what's best for you. So I went ahead and got sewn. It took forever, but I got it done. But you can go ahead and pull down your stacked piece down to see the stitching and make sure everything's good. If not, you can always restart this process over again. It's not hard, but it just takes a little bit because you're hand sewing it. But if I had a sewing machine, this would be so much easier. So I'm going to go ahead and get started to do the other side, and we'll be back. So yeah, right here I just noticed that I could have, cut the pieces longer so there's more of a stack, but they came out good. As you can see, they're really cute and they're really like stylish. So I really like this new trend they got going on. So yeah, bye you guys.